Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired. Stay inspired. Stay blessed. Inspiring Inputs. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature never hurries, yet everything is accomplished. Nature does nothing uselessly. Colors are the smiles of nature. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. The earth has music for those who listen. Heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. I would rather have roses on my table than diamonds on my neck. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. The poetry of the earth is never dead. There is no better designer than nature. Knowing trees, I understand the meaning of patience. Knowing grass, I can appreciate persistence. Learn this from water. Loud splashes the brook, but the ocean's depths are calm. If I had to choose a religion, the sun, as the universal giver of life, would be my God. The fairest thing in nature, a flower, still has its roots in earth and manure. Nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual, cognitive, and even spiritual satisfaction. The goal of life is to make your heartbeat match the beat of the universe, to match your nature with Mother Nature, the nature. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. The creation of 1,000 forests is in one accord. The butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough. A kiss is a lovely trick designed by nature to stop speech when words become superfluous. The happiest man is he who learns from nature the lesson of worship. If people sat outside and looked at the stars each night, I'll bet they would live a lot differently. Every artist dips his brush in his own soul and paints his own nature into his picture. When you go in search of honey, you must expect to be stung by bees. To me, Mother Nature isn't nearly as scary as human nature. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your valuable comments are invited